Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if File Explorer is not responding or not opening on your Windows. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First method is go ahead on the start button, click on that, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on system, click on display. Here you'll find scale and layout. Make sure for the scale and the display resolution, you need to choose as to what is recommended. Okay, so you have to basically choose what is recommended. Next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar, type task mgr, click on task manager under the best match. Now maximize the task manager window. Click on the details on the left pane. Look for explorer.exe. This one, make a right click, select End Task, click on End Process. Then click on this Run New Task. Then type here explorer.exe. Click on OK. And then close this window and see if that works. For the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar, type File, Explorer, Options. Click on File Explorer Options under the best match. Now here in the File Explorer Options, you will find this General tab. Open File Explorer 2. Click on this drop-down arrow and choose this PC. Click on Apply, click on OK. And try to open File Explorer this time. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar. Again, type File Explorer Options. Then you have to simply click on File Explorer Options. This window will appear again. Then you have here Clear File Explorer History. Click on Clear. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And try to open File Explorer again. The next method, again, type File Explorer Options. Click on that under the best match. And you'll find this Restore Defaults. Click on that. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And after that, you just need to open the File Explorer again. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.